We'll guide you through how to do text mask in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because tools like Photopea offer powerful editing features for free, but can feel confusing at first. Start by ensuring your device is connected to the internet, as this is necessary to access online tools smoothly. Next, locate and double-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your device, and wait patiently for the browser to fully open. Once Chrome is ready, hover your cursor over the search bar, click on it, and type Photopea. After typing, press the Enter key on your keyboard to begin the search process. When the search results appear, select the top option, which should be 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗏, and you will be redirected to the Photopea homepage. Before starting any editing, prepare the files you plan to add to your project so they are easy to find later. Then, click the New Project option on the homepage and choose an available template that suits your needs. You can also adjust the canvas size according to your preference and set the background color to white. After that, click the Create button to open the editing workspace. On the editing page, insert your prepared file by going to the File menu and selecting Open in Place. Browse to the location where your file is saved and double-click it to load it onto the canvas. Next, look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen and choose the Text tool to write your text. Adjust the font, size, and other settings as needed, then type your text on the canvas. Resize and reposition the text if necessary for better alignment. In the Layers panel, move the text layer below the image layer, then right-click the image layer and select Clipping Mask to create the text mask effect. Finally, enhance your design by adding effects such as strokes and shadows to your text, and include a background if necessary. Take your time to experiment with different styles and placements so your final result looks balanced and visually appealing. Practicing these steps regularly will help you become more confident and efficient when using Photopea for future editing projects with consistent practice over time.